You would remember that when Sharjeel Imam was discharged by a trial court, the ecosystem that has made him its poster boy came out in large numbers and said truth has won, dissent was punished. All that has been reversed by the Delhi High Court. Sharjeel Imam, Safoora Zargar and Asif Tanha have been charged with rioting and unlawful assembly. The court has said that these people were in the front line of the mob. In fact, some other charges against them, against other accused, have been dropped by the High Court, but the High Court has stated that accused were in the first line of mob and they were raising slogans of Delhi police murdabad. The court has also pointed out that they consciously chose to be part of this unlawful assembly and were carrying dandas in their hands, sticks in their hands, climbed barricades, marched towards Parliament despite several warnings by the police. Let's first get you the political reactions coming in. The BJP has welcomed the verdict of the Delhi High Court and has said that this exposes the rioters and people who have backed them all this while.
The court has rightly said, well, there is no denial to right to freedom of expression, but yes, it can't be followed by damage to property, and it can't be followed by violence. So under that, they were seen there rioting, they were seen there hustling with the police. That's why court has taken a stance on them that yes, they have to be prosecuted under the rioting and other cases which led to violence there.
और ये माफिया जो पनपते हैं, कुछ शरीफ लोग, परिवारों में रहने वाले लोग घबराते हैं कि ये क्रिमिनल टाइप के लोग हैं, हमारे परिवार को नुकसान, तो वो अपनी गवाहों से मुकर जाया करते हैं। इसलिए ट्रायल के लिए लोअर कोर्ट के बाद हाई कोर्ट के बाद सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाती हैं। तो निश्चित रूप से हाई कोर्ट ने कॉग्निजेंस लिया। इसके लिए मैं हाई कोर्ट को इस बात के लिए बधाई भी देता हूँ और देश का लोकतंत्र में सभी लोगों का विश्वास है कि ऐसे लोगों के खिलाफ ट्रायल होनी चाहिए, ऐसे लोगों को सजा मिलनी चाहिए। फ्री स्पीच के लिए, फंडामेंटल राइट्स के लिए, राइट टू अपना जो स्पीच फ्री के लिए, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप लॉ एंड ऑर्डर को ब्रेक करके बैरिकेड को तोड़ोगे, बसों में आग लगाओगे।
Let's quickly understand this court order. Neelashish now joining us. Neelashish, let's first tell our viewers what the trial court had said when these people were discharged, and then we'll come to what the High Court has said today.
Well, Pranesh, in February this year, the trial court had discharged all these accused, saying that the right to freedom of speech and expression cannot be curbed. In fact, it should be encouraged, and the manner in which the evidences were presented before the trial court in that stage of framing of charges, that was not sufficient to in fact go ahead with a trial against these 11 accused. All 11, including Sharjeel Imam, Asif Iqbal Tanha, Safoora Zargar and 8 others. Of course, they were all discharged, which meant that it was
the prosecution, the court said that these people were made scapegoats. Today, the Delhi High Court is saying that these people were at the front line of the mob.
They said that the people who have been made accused in this case, the 11 as we're talking about, they had no role to play as far as the evidence is concerned. And because the police did not have enough evidence to actually go against who were the perpetrators of that offence, they had brought on these people, including Sharjeel and others, as scapegoats. Very rightly put there, Pranesh. They had used this word and said that this is a manner to divert the lapses in the investigation, which is why the trial court said that the police did not do their job properly, and thereafter they came to court without enough evidence against these people and used them as scapegoats, and therefore the trial court had discharged them of